History Month is as much a way to recognize Alberta's Black settlers for their accomplishments as it is a way of us all to recognize the leaders of today. Those who organize and build communities, those who empower our youth and new Canadians to succeed, elevating, empowering, and inspiring the next generation to reach even higher.
The story of Black people in Canada is rife with struggle, but it is also a story of hope and triumph and constant advancement towards equality and dignity. I want you to know that your being here today means a lot to me, to our Premier, and to our entire government. So I want to thank you all once again for coming.
Our eyes like the day, our eyes up, our eyes unafraid, our eyes up.
But remembering our heritage as Albertans of African descent, we can continue to move forward together, along with all Albertans. To the community, I say, know that your voice is always welcome here, and that we will always stand with you to celebrate your cultures, your histories, and your faiths against any who would seek to stoke hatred, division, and prejudice, and to support all those who instead celebrate freedom, independence, and equality. Happy Black History Month.
So today, going forward, I fully expect that we will continue to enrich our province, and we must continue to unearth these hidden figures, these trailblazers who, despite the odds, despite their improbable stories up from slavery, have blazed trails unimagined and as yet often unwritten.
That cannot softly sing another echo into the ears of the desperate bent over their own withdrawn affluence, starved for the sound of a landing passage that will summon marrow to mourn in the birth of new words for known, that can have us all speak new words for home.
Happy Black History Month. May God bless you and may God bless Alberta.